Spring days and country life is full of springtime, Easter, and farm images from Hunkydory. It's a large paper towel style kit with stacking foil die cuts, and it makes at least 12 cards. You're seeing the inspiration sheet here. Always gives you lots of ideas on the front and on the back, so you're never going to be short of inspiration like that about Hunkydory. So that gives you an idea of what they could look like if you so choose. And then we start with the foiled, gold foiled toppers and stacking die cuts. So you've got toppers and you've got matching die cuts that pop out and foam tape in place to stack on top of here. And I'll show you examples when we're done looking at the elements of the kit. So you're going to get, let's see, 12 of these, 12 sheets of these, which are the toppers, and then you're going to get all of the elements that stack on top of them. Beautiful springtime images, and look, here's a nice big circle with these corner pieces. Thinking of you on your special day. May your day be filled with love and laughter. Happy birthday. You always get lots of sentiments. So you'll be able to use this year round, but springtime is great. Plus it's got Easter. So it really does have a few Easter images. So if you like that, you'll be able to use those. And there's a beautiful cottage, another little lamb at Easter time. And it says, enjoy this special day. So if you didn't want to use this one on Easter, you don't have to. It could be for another occasion. So a couple of them do say Easter, but not all of them, just a few, but they still have these really cute images. And you're going to be able to stack on top of these. So fun. I love the different shapes, the ovals, circles, squares. Here's definitely farm life with the tractor. We've got chickens and ducks. So for each one of these little base card toppers, you're going to get all of the pieces that stack on top of there, and that's going to be really beautiful. This is, I think, an old cathedral. It does say Easter blessings on this one. This is what I love. You're also going to get masculine images. So even some of the buildings, the cottages, those could be used for masculine cards. This one definitely could be. Sending love and best wishes on your very special day. So that's a great look. This is definitely masculine, though I do definitely know women who like to run around on forerunners like that. So that would be great for anybody, really. And then again, you get all of the pieces that individually pop out, even the little pieces, and they will stack right on top of the larger pieces. And it's a paper towel style look where you're stacking all of those images. So like I said, each one of these sheets is going to go with those base panels. You'll be able to foam tape them in place. Very simple to do. I'll show you an example in just a moment. And we're going to go through just so you see that those do match all of the images that you just saw. And then we get into 12 additional sheets of printed Adorable Scorable. So these are going to be what you can use to put on the back of your card, put inside of your card, whatever you like. These are A4 sized, and they are 350 weight GSM, so they're nice and heavy duty, and they're going to be able to, they're easy to cut apart or use in large. You can make like a long card this way and keep that scene for a long card. I think that's a great idea. Or even upwards like this, or just cut parts of it and use strips for other uses. So lots of beautiful imagery. And these are great for scrapbook pages too. I could see putting this on a page and put a photo there of a little girl who was holding a duck, or even if she wasn't, just a cute little girl. So that's, or even a little boy. Little boy's fine too. Boys you could also put with the tractor. But that's what's nice about these. They can be used for so many different things. And these are perfectly going to match the die cuts that I've showed you. So here's an example of what I've been talking about, the paper towel style stacking. And as we get in, I'm going to turn it sideways so that you can see each one of those pieces is foam taped in place, and you can see the depth there. And it's really not that thick. I mean, it ends up being about a ½ an inch. I didn't measure that, but it looks to me maybe even less than ½ an inch. And that is just going to be a beautiful look, and what a stunning thing to open that up and to be able to see that depth right into the card. A 3D look says thank you for everything. And that's how easy it is to do. You can just stack those pieces right on there. Here's one with that little bunny, so super cute with the little eggs, and this one has been done into a trifold, a sort of a Z-fold card, or an S-fold, Z-fold. Anyway, so cute with the little border pieces, and this was using that Adorable Scorable and those die cuts placed on top. And again, the little village scene, the little cottage with the little animals. So really easy to do. You can just stack those together, make beautiful looks, and you're going to get all that in Spring Days and Country Life from Hunkydory.